So, hello my rose, welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Between pages, Rosie here. And welcome to another weekly reading vlog. I apologise that everything's been a little bit hectic the past few weeks. I've been all over the place really, because obviously Pickles went missing last week and he's only just come back and I didn't have a phone for 2 weeks. So that happened, but Pickles came back. I got my phone repaired, pretty much. Well, it's not repaired, it's just it charges with wireless charging. I'm on chapter 13 of Poppy Wall. I'm going to put it here because I have wet hands. I don't want to go grab it with wet hands. That's 269 pages through this, so I'm more than halfway through and I'm fucking loving it. There was a battle scene yesterday that was so good that I couldn't take my eyes away from the page. It's so fucking good to read. Like, honestly enjoyed every second of it, and I'm gonna continue that today. But first, obviously that is my main read. On audiobook I'm listening to Somebody to Love by Matt Richards. This is an autobiography of Mercury, and basically it's a life and death of him, really. Learning quite a few things about him and about the time that he was in. And then on my ebook, on my Kindle, I am reading Perfect Child still haven't finished it, but I want to finish that at some point. Maybe this week, maybe next week, we'll see. I want to finish it this month, so I don't know what I'm going to read next. I actually have no idea. Josh is going to choose for me though if I finish in this month, so that's going to be fun. On the side, I am reading H.P. Lovecraft, the complete fiction, because my friend Lewis let me borrow it, which I'm really happy about, because I've been wanting to read Lovecraft for ages and now I can read it. So I'm going to read the first short story this morning, and then I'm going to continue with Poppy Wall. I think I'm going to get to chapter 19 and then read the second short story in Lovecraft. I know this is a long intro, but yeah, welcome to the vlog. Dragon Republic, and it is really reminding me of pirates because they're on ships, and at the minute they're planning to kill the Empress, which is fucking insane. I actually can't tell you who is trying to kill the Empress because it's massive spoilers. I'm wondering how they're gonna pull this off without like any of them getting killed. See how that goes. Chapter 9 is page 139. So yeah, really enjoying this. I'm in the living room at the minute. An air freshener and the candle is burning over there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. I'm gonna go read, get some more of this done. I want to get to at least 200 or more today, so let's see what we can do. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a quick update. I'm on page 180 of Dragon Republic. I was trying to finish this on Monday, but I've decided that I want to try and finish this on Wednesday, and then I'll have a few days to finish Burning God because Catherine wants to start our buddy read on next Monday. Not the Monday coming up, the 29th. Monday the 29th. But anyways, that's what I'm trying to do. I can't update on my audiobook because I haven't really got through that. But let's just say a war has broken out now. Like a war is happening. And I now know why this is actually called the Dragon Republic. It's interesting why it's called that. I'm not spoiling anything. I'm not saying why it's actually called the Dragon Republic. I'm just saying it's interesting why it's called the Dragon Republic. And Rin is figuring out how to calm her powers down without taking drugs. So that's all I can really say, but still loving this so far. I'm loving it more than the first one, so that's pretty good. Right, I'm gonna go and try and get a chunk of this done today. Hopefully I can finish this by Wednesday and then start Burning God on Wednesday and finish that on Monday. Quite productive this morning, so like I washed the dishes, took the dogs out and fed the animals, and I've put the dishes away, put washing away, and the washer is already loaded, so we're gonna put that on. And I am 292 pages through Dragon Republic. So I'm 8 pages away from 300. I'm trying to get to 327 today because that's halfway through. So hopefully I can do that. And get everything sorted for that, really. Basically, at the minute, Rin is on a boat with Jinza, which is Nez's brother, and obviously the Psyche, and they're trying to make a negotiation with the Ramlord. So I love it because all of the warlords are Chinese New Year animals. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment below either a ship or a sword emoji. And I shall see you in the next video. Stay luscious, guys. Bye.